Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, today we have a theme, Lilo and Stitch. So I wanted to show you the warmer that I got. So it's really exciting. And I also have the Scentsy Buddy Lilo, and of course I have the Scentsy bar to go along with this. So let's get going. So they do package these really well, and I did open it just earlier just to make sure it wasn't broken, because wouldn't that be nice? So this is actually the dish where you put the Scentsy bar in, and you can use as many as you want or as little as you like. So that's that. Now I'm gonna take this out. Now bear with me as I go one by one opening this up. So there's a light bulb that comes with it. Some of them are narrow, this one's oval, so sorry, round. So it depends on the Scentsy warmer. Sometimes they give us bigger bulbs, and you always get one with the order. If you do, if they burn out, do order them from Scentsy because their quality is much better and safe too. So that's the inside piece that will go into the warmer. All right, are you guys ready? This one's a little heavy, but I personally love palm trees. So this is also why I got this warmer. There's one piece we're gonna take out from here. Yeah, I love how Scentsy always puts extra cushioning in there so nothing gets broken. I'm gonna put the light bulb in. There we go. And this one, of course, you put it here and you turn it as you like. So if you like this guy more or this one, it's up to you how you want it. But you do have to turn it by your own hands. It's not automatic. So there you put the dish on top. And this is where you would put your Scentsy bar in there, like that. And then you just let it melt. But I do want to show you guys what it looks like once it's lights up. So give me a second. In the meantime, do let me know if you've seen the movie and what was your favorite part in the movie. So let me know in the comments. My daughter did enjoy the movie, though 2 hours was getting too much for her, but she's little. So, and there you guys have it. I personally think it's cute. If flowers and decorations like this are your thing, then I think it's a beautiful piece to have it in your house. Whether you have it in the front entrance of your house, or like I know a lady, when I walk into the house, she just has all these different kind of warmers in front. So you walk in and it's so warming and welcoming. This one I personally would put it in the bedroom or something like that because it's so cute. But let me know in the comments what you think. What's your favorite piece about it? And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always here for you. Till next time, have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching.